I just want to show you how fantastic these are looking on both sides here. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Look how yummy. Hi everybody, I'm Connie. Thanks for joining my channel today. Boy, do we have a special treat. I'm going to teach you how to make cowboy butter, and it sounds so yummy. I can't wait to show you. Okay, so let's get started on this yummy butter. And what I'm going to do with it is I have a couple of New York strip steaks in the refrigerator. And what I've done with them, and I always do with my steaks, is I take a fork and I stab both sides with the fork and I put some tenderizer on it. And I've got a little seasoned salt and a little bit of Worcestershire. And then I'm going to cook it in this yummy butter. So what we're going to do first, you're going to need 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we're going to need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I was going to cook my steaks today out on my Blackstone grill, but our wind is literally blowing about 60 miles an hour today. We have a high wind warning. So my stove is going to have to do, but I bet this butter is good anyway. I don't think it's really going to matter where I cook it. Okay, so I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, or you can use 4 fresh cloves of garlic if you would like to do that. And I'm just going to dig down in here. I did wash my spoon, by the way. So we're going to do that. And I want to thank my good friend Mike for sending me this recipe. I think actually he sent me one that you can actually not melt the butter, and you can leave it kind of at room temperature, and then you can roll it in some wax paper when you get this all finished and refrigerate it and let it get cold, and you can slice it as you need it. And it's a bigger recipe than what I really needed today. So, okay, we've got our butter, our lemon juice, and our garlic in here. And now we're going to take a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And we're going to put it in this yummy stuff. That garlic smells so good already. I love it. Okay, we're going to do that. My little spatula so we can get all of it. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Like I say, our wind's blowing, but hey, it's West Texas and that's what it does in the spring. And so we just kind of have to go with the flow. You never know. Okay, so there's our Dijon. Next, it calls for some cayenne pepper, which I didn't have on hand today, but you can put cayenne in here to taste. But the next thing is a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And I just have the regular paprika. So I'm just going to put a 1/4 teaspoon there, like that. And then it calls for 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. And I have this parsley over here that we're going to cut up. Okay, the 2 tablespoons of parsley that I have chopped up over here, just like so. And then it calls for 1 tablespoon of chives, which I have some dry chives. You can use the fresh. I've got these dry ones here that we're going to put in there, just like that. And then it calls for a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And so we've got the red pepper flakes just like that. And then it calls for 2 teaspoons of thyme. And you can use fresh thyme, minced thyme, but I only have the dried, so that's what we're going to use. 2 teaspoons, just like this. I don't know if it's going to come out or not. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, just like that. All right, and then salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to put, since I didn't have a cayenne, I'm going to put a little bit of extra pepper, hit it with some salt, and then we are going to mix all of this yummy stuff up. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this looks so yummy right here. Look at this. But let me go get my steaks, and we're going to fry them up right here and see about this yummy butter. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I have my steaks out of the refrigerator and my butter made. And what I'm going to do is I put my skillet on kind of medium to low. So I'm going to get this coated in the bottom of my pan. And then I'm going to set my steaks in here. And we like ours kind of medium well. My husband likes his medium. So I'll check them here in just a little bit to see how well they're cooking. I just want to show you how fantastic these are looking on both sides here. Look at this. And I can't wait for you to try this, you guys. These flavors just combined together, the lemon, the Dijon mustard, all of it just sounded so fantastic. What I did, I took a little bit more of this butter and I put it on top of here. And if you're going to have a baked potato tonight, try that butter on the baked potatoes. It won't hurt a thing. Let's try this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait for you to try it. Go share the love and tell somebody you love them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.